Orthodontically, no one wants to wear braces. No one wants wires and brackets and hardware all over their teeth. That's probably the biggest downer in ortho treatment. The really huge change in dentistry in the last few years is the ability to very simply scan a patient's mouth digitally, not take impressions like the old-fashioned way, but scan the mouth and in a very high-tech fashion develop a digital treatment plan to move their teeth using clear aligner therapy, like Invisalign. People can't see it, your friends can't see it, no one knows you're doing it, but your teeth are getting straight. And it doesn't take a long time, it's not painful, it doesn't mess up your life. You can take the aligners out and eat whatever you want. You don't have all the food stuck in your braces. The list is endless of the benefits to clear aligner orthodontics. And everybody wants straight white teeth. If you've been considering braces for a long time and you think it's going to be a hassle and a hardship in your life, it really isn't. At Charlotte Dental Arts, we can very easily and quickly show you a simulation from where you are now to where you can get to with clear aligners and move your teeth to that position in a very short period of time, painlessly and without all the hardware on your teeth.